Today, we are making a delicious red cabbage soup with apple. Check the description below to get the full list of ingredients and instructions. Let's get started. First, peel and core 2 apples, then chop them into small pieces. Remove the tough end of the red cabbage and chop it as well. Next, chop 1 onion. In a large pot, heat some olive oil. Add the chopped onion, apples, and cabbage to the pot, and sauté for a few minutes until they start to soften. Subscribe to Melodies of Flavors and like if you enjoyed this recipe. Your support brings more easy recipes. Share with friends. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Continue to sauté for a few more minutes to blend the flavors. Pour in 500 milliliters of vegetable stock. Cover the pot and let the vegetables cook. Once the vegetables are fully cooked, blend them until smooth. Make sure the soup is not too watery. If it is, let it simmer until the excess water evaporates. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, serve the soup hot. You can garnish it with a slice of apple and a splash of fresh lemon juice for added flavor and a beautiful presentation. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check the description for the full recipe and more details. Subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. See you next time on Melodies of Flavors.